I'm Tom Varner and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've stopped in Alton, Illinois. I saw this cool thing on the side of the building. I just want to show it to you. Look at that mural. Pretty darn cool. Alton was and is a riverboat town, and they've got the riverboat there in the middle of the river. You can see up there in the corner the bluffs, horse-drawn carriage. Looks like maybe one of the parrots may be flying over the boat that are no longer, they're extinct. They no longer live here. Used to be parrots all along the Mississippi River. This bottom section's pretty cool too. I mean, over here, look at that. I believe that's supposed to be Mark Twain poking his ghostly head out of the depths of the sea. Mark Twain worked on a riverboat. Samuel Clemens, that's where he got his name from. Look at that big old, see that big old shoe? That big old shoe's about the Alton Giant. Yeah, he's from Alton, Illinois. Alton Giant right there. I believe that angel there, that is the sculpture on top of the Elijah Lovejoy's grave memorial here in Alton. And then we've got this weird looking, I don't know, glass-headed octopus-like creature. I guess it's supposed to be part of like the Piasa bird, sort of. But yeah, that's doesn't quite look like the Piasa bird to me. I guess it is. And then a giant fish. So what did you think of that? I think that was pretty cool. I mean, I wasn't expecting to make a video today about this mural in Alton. I was just driving through and I saw it. What are some things in your neighborhood and your neck of the woods that are kind of cool, kind of awesome near you? Leave a comment, let me know in the comment section. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place you'd like me to visit or you have a suggestion for another video, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap. Go.